Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure both devices are connected on the same network or paired via Bluetooth. Open the Media app and system audio settings on each device, then enable any shared audio, remote playback, or multi-room options. Set your primary device to a mid-level reference volume, about 50%, and turn off automatic normalization so you get a stable baseline. Once done, you're ready to initiate a sync session from the source and watch connection status. You now handle the complex middle steps. First, correct timing by setting latency or sync offsets. Start with 50 to 200 milliseconds and adjust until audio aligns visually. Next, measure perceived loudness with a LUFS meter or a reliable level app, because matching peak numbers doesn't equal perceived parity. Aim for consistent program loudness across devices, then apply small gain trims of 1 to 3 decibels per device while playing a reference clip. Make sure to recheck timing after you finish by locking your configuration and validating with a final, varied listening test. Save profiles or presets for each room or device type so you can quickly restore the same offsets and gain trims. Play speech, music, and effects at different levels to confirm consistency. If you notice drift or lag over time, first reboot and repair the devices, then rerun offset and gain checks. Intermittent Wi-Fi or apps doing background processing are common causes. Finally, document the working preset for repeatable results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.